In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design newsletters with Klaviyo, a powerful tool to engage your audience, elevate your brand awareness, and drive those all-important conversions. So get comfortable and let's dive into crafting an eye-catching newsletter using Klaviyo. First things first, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, navigate over to Campaigns. This is your starting point for creating a new promotional effort and the place where our newsletter journey begins. Click on Campaigns and then select Create Campaign. As you're setting this up, you'll want to specify that it's an email campaign. This clarity helps keep things organized right from the start. Next, it's important to give your campaign a name. Choose something that clearly identifies the purpose of the newsletter for you and your team, and then click Save and Continue. Naming conventions can be critical to maintaining consistency and ease of access later. Now, on to selecting your audience. You'll need to choose a list or a segment of your subscribers to send this newsletter to. Klaviyo provides excellent flexibility here. You can opt for a pre-existing list or dive deeper by creating a new segment based on criteria like customer behavior, demographics, or engagement levels. This approach ensures your newsletter reaches the right eyes, maximizing impact. Once you've settled on your target audience, it's time to build the foundation of your newsletter. Click Create and get ready to unleash your creativity. Customizing the design is where it all comes to life. Start by adding your brand logo right at the top to remind recipients of who's speaking to them. Then craft a catchy headline, one that instantly grabs attention and compels them to read on. Infuse your design with high quality images and enticing product banners that visually stimulate and engage. Including clear call to action buttons such as shop now or read more is vital. These buttons will guide your readers to the next step you want them to undertake. Personalizing your newsletter with dynamic fields, such as inserting the recipient's first name, can significantly enhance the reader's experience by making it feel tailor-made for them. Don't forget to ensure your design is mobile friendly by previewing it on different devices. With so many people checking emails on their phones, this step is critical. Before you send anything out, it's wise to click on Preview and Test. This will show you exactly how your newsletter looks on desktop and mobile screens. I always recommend sending a test email either to yourself or a colleague. This lets you verify that all formatting, links, and design elements work seamlessly. Once you're confident everything is in pristine condition, it's time to decide. Do you want to send the newsletter now, or schedule it for a time when it will have maximum impact? And there you have it, your guide to creating stunning newsletters with Klaviyo. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other features and templates for even more dynamic newsletters in the future. Happy designing!